Okay, folks, today I am at Coulby Park, which has a couple different things, and then I'm gonna go read about Harry Coulby here in a sec. I gotta go through some snow, and I got the walker, so it's gonna take me a little bit. I'll be back. Harry Coulby. Harry Coulby was born of humble farming parents on January 1st, 1865 in Claypole, England. At age 17, he immigrated to Cleveland to realize his dream of sailing the Great Lakes. He did not become a sailor, but instead became the commanding figure in the ore shipping trade. In 1886, Pickens Mather Company employed him, and Coulby, with imagination and willingness to work, made the movement of ships and cargo his career. Within 20 years, he managed 100 ships, controlling the two leading fleets. He was described as the Czar of the Lakes, a tribute to his leadership qualities. Adopting President Abraham Lincoln's method of making a point with a story, he became Wickliffe Village's first mayor in 1916. His home, known as Coulby, became the city hall. Harry died while visiting his birthplace on January 18, 1929, and was laid to rest in the churchyard that he restored. And there is what was the city hall and where Harry Coulby lived. I'm going to walk up there and see if I can get a little closer. Not in the snow though. So we'll see what I can do. Closer. That's really cool. The entrance actually is over here. And maybe this still is City Hall because they got all kinds of civil service, clerk of council, litter control, recreation director, and the parking spots. So I'm gonna see, I guess this is the baseball field for the park. And they got a little swing set and some slides and stuff over there. And then there's a water park that's open in the summer. It's still only February, so we're not gonna be seeing that open for a while. I'm gonna see what else I can find here. That building there is the sheriff's department. That's a lot, what do you want to call it, more modern. And I don't think, can I get that on here? It's probably more modern, and I'm not sure what it is, but it's like one of those, I don't know what shape you call that. Kind of like a teepee, but not really. But hopefully y'all see what I'm talking about. And I see another sign that I'm going to go read here. Coulby Park, dedicated in honor of Wickliffe citizens Harry and May Allen Coulby. Coulby Park is part of the original Coulby estate called Coulby. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Harry C. Coulby, 1865 to 1929, was known as Czar of the Great Lakes, was a partner in a shipping company with a fleet of ore boats on Lake Erie, and was the first elected mayor of Wickliffe, serving from 1916 to 1921. May Allen Coulby, his wife, founded the Wickliffe Well Baby Dispensary. And I'm not really sure what that is, but we got a grill and some picnic tables. And then that building probably is where people change and stuff to go swimming in the thing during the summer. Okay, I wanted to get the front of the pool building. I think that is really neat. You know how I love neat buildings. I think that top of that is cool. And then the building I was talking about, I'm going to get closer to here. I called it a teepee type building. As I said, it's not really a teepee, but I don't know what else to call it. And my rollator's running away from me. Can't have that. So there's the building I was talking about. So if anybody really knows what that shape of building is called, let me know in the comments. And I also want to thank you if you hung in here so far, and ask you to give me that thumbs up, and if you wouldn't mind hanging out till the rest of the video, I'd really appreciate it. Oh, where'd they go? There were some seagulls flying around that building there. I don't know if I'm catching them or not. So the park also has tennis courts, which will probably be in good use during the spring and summer. You could get the ball to bounce in the snow. I guess you could play, but I don't think you'd be able to do that. And then here's some more of the water park for you. And this is sidewalk, but this is as far as it's shoveled or whatever, melted. So I'm not gonna be able to go further with the walker. It just loops around the water park, really. So it's a small park, but nice park. The City Hall is really worth coming to see, just to see it, you know. And some more picnic tables. But you know, it's a small park, nice little town park, I guess. Wickliffe's a town. And just wanted to get out today, bring you something new. And I want to thank you all for watching the video, and hope you enjoyed it. And remember, whether you need a rollator, standard cane, wheelchair, whatever assistive device you need to make yourself able to get around and live life to its fullest. It's not making you handicapped, it's making you handy capable. Thank you all. Have a great day, and God bless you.